I meant purple. I forgot what color he is again. Dude, I wasn't even there yet. Probably one-shot it. What even is it?
Crap.
What? Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, I guess.
It's of all our items, we should be able to do this. Shit, you almost just one-shotted me.
Oh, I'm at 2 health. I'm killing him.
Alright, I killed him. Yo, get in my health bubble. Get in my health bubble. I have a health bubble right here. Get in it. You're done, guys. Oh, my team, you're dead. You are so dead.
Yes.
I went for the blue
God.
one. I went for the blue one, dummy.
Oh, you had 20 of those, man. It wasn't me. I had 20 of them.
Man, whatever you want, I can buy. But this thing takes like half of your health away.
Can I have it then?
But it makes you really strong, though. I advise, it stacks, but I advise don't get any more. You're gonna die just like I did.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I need to get the beetle. Can you give me a beetle?
I want to buy this, one of these.
Alright, look, can you re-roll this until it's a beetle?
Nah, that was the last roll I got. If you want that, you can have it. No. No, Lucky. No. But I'm out of lunar coins now.
I have 3 more.
No.
4 more left.
Alright, pick a map.
I thought we were gonna go to
not-
the boss for the character.
Yeah, but we don't have enough health. And we need healing items, so let's go this way. What map is this? I don't know what that map is.
We went there.
No, no we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Also, we're not ready for the boss yet. We're not ready for that boss fight. Oh, if you see a golden shrine, do it. If you see a golden shrine, and then go for the golden portal once it spawns. How much do you have?
400.
Alright, do you want to start it, or do you want to wait? Do you want to start it, or do you want to wait? Answer me, buddy. Got no land. Dude, do you want to wait, or do you want to start it right now? Oh, run! You're not dying.
No.
You're not dying 5 seconds. You will die in 5 seconds. You will die in 5 seconds. Sure, that thing those people will kill you in 5 seconds. You have like 5 seconds to talk. They get to those things. Look, they steal your health. They will steal your health. If they get low enough, they will steal your health. They open there. Do not die. And you gotta pay money to these things so you can attack them. So you can attack the boss. You have to pay money to those things. To these shrines. You see these little things?
I just died.
How?
I got one shot.
Like what? I told you not to buy those in more than one of those things. That's why you keep dying. You keep buying more than one of those things. I don't know. You might have took some damage. Possibility. You still there? Dude, you there or not? Alright, bots is here now, but I can't attack them until the thing until I pay off all of them. Oh, are you there? Are you there or not?
Yeah,
Take the break.
Steam profile.
Why?
Because she plays video games.
But then if she has her Steam, you can't play. If she gets